Welcome everyone to CDO's magazine series of one-on-one interviews with CDOs, data leaders, and key influencers. I'm your host, Robert Lutton, Vice President, Sandhill Consultants, and I'm coming to you today from Toronto, Canada, working with the CDO magazine and the EDM Council. And today I have the pleasure of introducing Mario Cantin, who is the founder and chief data strategist of Prodago. Welcome, Mario.
Hi, Robert. Pleased to be here with you today.
It is a pleasure, and obviously from Montreal, so go Montreal. If I'd like, or if I may, I'd like to start with a couple of background questions to get our audience a little bit more familiar with you. And I noticed when I was looking at your bio that you've been a programmer, been an analyst, an architect, manager, developer, more recently an entrepreneur and a strategist, and all of which have helped you've helped organizations find and apply sustainable ways for collaboratively managing and governing their data. I also noticed that you say you're a multilingualist of data-driven businesses, which again I've never seen that title before, but my first question that I must ask is, what led you to start your own company?
Well, my company called Prodago was founded in 2013. At that time, I had been working as a consultant in data management, data governance for a long time. And what started me to start Prodago was working to help organizations to improve and to manage data in different contexts, seeing how big it is a challenge for organizations to transform the way they manage data. So I saw the challenge of transformation, working with large organizations, undertaking very large projects, which core business objective, implementing technology, implementing processes, and seeing these initiatives fail because the organization was unable to adapt and to transform the way it was managing data. So I saw many large initiatives failing because of that reason. And I came to understand that the core challenges were based on data management being a very fragmented discipline with multiple topics that are interconnected. Seeing that in large organizations, unequal maturity on these different disciplines. So in that context, aligning data management, improving data management in support of the initiative is a big challenge. So seeing multiple projects fail because of this incapacity to align and to improve data management driven by specific objective led me to the creation of Prodago. So
and in fact, today's interview is actually going to be all around data management and data governance. So you saw an opportunity, created an opportunity, and we thank you for that. In fact, Mario, we understand that Prodago has created an innovative data governance modeling and software solution. Could you give us an understanding of the core capabilities it solves for the business?
Absolutely. This model is based on an approach which is a bimodal approach. So we take the governance challenge, which is to transform, improve the way data is managed. And the software we've created includes two facets. It includes a facet which is enterprise governance. So how to structure and build governance capability within an organization. And our software includes a project governance capability. So basically, this is related to the approach of Prodago. Prodago brings an idea of bimodal data governance. It means enterprise governance plus project governance or governance in project. So we consider that the project facets of governance is like an agile side to governance. So the software we've created includes these two facets. The first facet, enterprise capability, is supporting organization in defining their own internal capabilities regarding data management. So our enterprise capability includes a portfolio, a register of governance practices. Our governance capability, enterprise capability includes alignment between governance capability and laws and regulation and risk. So the software allows organization to accelerate their definition of enterprise positioning and policies and directive, and to build enterprise capability. The other facet of our software is governance in the context of project. So basically, the software help project to plan, execute, and build oversight on governance in their project. So our project capabilities include a questionnaire in which project describe their solution, the potential impact, the data they intend to use, the type of model, if this is about AI, the project structure. And based on this questionnaire, our software prescribe to the project the different activities and control that are required in the project. So Prodago help project to plan governance activities and control. Our software also help the project to collect the governance artifact and evidence. And our software help to manage data and AI risk in the context of the project, support the measurement of alignment of the project with laws and regulation. So basically the project two facets: enterprise capability, building enterprise processes on governance, clarifying role and responsibility, and a facet where we help project to succeed by embedding governance in the different project phases.
And just before we started the call, I think you'd mentioned that it's also been on the radar of Gartner. Can you maybe elaborate a little bit on that?
Yeah, absolutely. So Prodago has been selected twice as a Gartner Cool Vendor, once in 2016, because our approach to data governance is very innovative. It's centered on processes, okay? Processes that we clarify for governance. So that part have been selected as Gartner Cool Vendor, and just recently, 2020, selected as AI Governance Cool Vendor. So this software is very innovative in the way it approached the governance challenge. It approached it from a process perspective, clarifying accountabilities on the multiple topics and multiple processes that needs to be implemented to succeed in the context of project.
Mario, I'd like to thank you for your time today. We really appreciate it, and we hope that we'll get the chance to have you come back and share your knowledge and experience on what's going on with Prodago in the space of data and analytics governance.
Thank you very much, Robert, for inviting me to this discussion.
Oh, it's a pleasure. And for our listeners, please visit cdomagazine.tech for additional interviews. Thank you.